Hello and welcome to Swing Trader India. Here's a quick tour to help you get started. Swing Trader India applies the rules of CanSlim investing system propounded by our founder William J. O'Neill in a swing trading environment to help you take advantage of the short-term trends. Unlike other swing trade products, Swing Trader India combines fundamental analysis with technical analysis to increase your potential for success. Our analysts use multiple proprietary screens that scan for key fundamental and technical criteria to develop swing trading ideas. The strategy itself is very simple. We go for quick hits. Most trades will last anywhere from 2 to 10 days. In a strong market, the profit goal is about 7 to 8% on the upside with a stop loss of around 3%. We at Swing Trader India are nimble, so the goals are quickly adjusted to fit the character of the market. Like I said, our strategy is simple. A lot of small gains can add up to big profits. The product is easy to understand. We have current trades, the past trades, recent alerts, and market outlook. The current trades list includes all open trades with entry date, entry price, today's price and volume changes, the current loss or gain percentage from our purchase price. The buy zone column tells you if the stock is still in the buy zone or out of the buy zone. You should not take a position in the stock if it is out of the buy zone. So look at stocks which are still in the buy zone. Since timing is extremely critical in trading, we have partnered with various key discount brokers so you can quickly buy or sell just by clicking on the action buttons here, which says sell directly or buy directly. For the first time, you will have to link your broker account. If you come down, you have something called as today's removals. This list includes all trades that we have exited today. For example, Balaji Amines was exited today. In some trades, we also go for partial profit booking. That is, if we believe the stock still has some steam left in it, we would book 50% of the profits and continue to hold the remaining 50%. This would reduce the risk substantially. We also provide easy to read charts for every trade. Our charts show you the trade setup visually and give you more detailed information such as the trade setup itself, the buy zone, the stop loss, the goal, and the earnings due date as well. Coming to past trades, we are completely transparent. Once a trade is closed by a stock reaching the profit goal, flashing a sell signal or hitting the stop loss, the stock moves to the past trades section. You get a snapshot of each closed trade, and this list is easy to sort and search as well. In addition, you can also see our past performance with win and loss rates, the average winner, average loser, and the periodic performance against the benchmark. For example, in the last 6 months, our calls made a whopping 51% gain while Nifty was down about 20%. And you can look at calls from 2017 onwards over here. Coming to market outlook. Our analysts also share the market outlook on a daily basis, plus various other reports periodically. The market analysis in Swing Trader India is unique and is tailored for swing trading environment. So it might be different from the analysis in other William O'Neill India products you may use. Swing Trader India also includes all notifications. So you can take positions on the move. We notify our clients on your mobile app, both on Android and iPhone, in the form of app notifications and emails. In addition, we also notify our clients via Telegram. In case you're missed on alerts or you want to check past alerts, you can track them all on the recent alerts section. To learn a bit more about swing trading, you can check our How to Invest or Frequently Asked Questions section on the product. Hope this was helpful. For any other queries, please feel free to drop us an email at support@swingtraderindia.com. So let's swing trade, capture short gains over and over again. Thank you.